How to wash our hands. To properly wash your hands, follow these steps. 1. Wet your hands with clean, running water, warm or cold, turn off the tap, and apply soap. 2. Lather your hands by rubbing them together with the soap. 2. Be sure to lather the backs of your hands, between your fingers, and under your nails. 3. Scrub your hands for at least 20 seconds. 3. Need a timer? Hum the "Happy Birthday" song from beginning to end twice. 4. Rinse your hands well under clean, running water. 5. Dry your hands using a clean towel or air dry them. It's important to wash your hands frequently, especially before and after certain activities, such as preparing food, using the bathroom, and before and after caring for someone who is sick. Handwashing is one of the most effective ways to prevent the spread of infections and illnesses. How should we clean our butt in the toilet? To clean your anus, butt, in the toilet, you can use toilet paper or wet wipes. Here are the steps for using toilet paper. After you have finished using the toilet and wiped your anus clean with toilet paper, use a new piece of toilet paper to wipe the area between your buttocks, also known as the perineum. Next, use a new piece of toilet paper to wipe your anus again, making sure to remove any remaining feces or dirt. Once you are finished wiping, throw the used toilet paper in the toilet and flush it away. If you are using wet wipes, follow these steps. After you have finished using the toilet and wiped your anus clean with toilet paper, use a wet wipe to clean the area between your buttocks, also known as the perineum. Next, use a new wet wipe to clean your anus, making sure to remove any remaining feces or dirt. Once you are finished wiping, throw the used wet wipe in the trash. Do not flush wet wipes down the toilet as they can clog the plumbing. It's important to keep your anus clean to prevent infection and to maintain good hygiene. Be sure to wash your hands thoroughly with soap and water after cleaning your anus to remove any bacteria or germs. How to clean our body. Here are the steps for cleansing your body. Start by washing your face with a gentle cleanser and warm water. Use circular motions to massage the cleanser into your skin, then rinse with cool water to close your pores. Next, take a shower or bath to cleanse the rest of your body. Use a mild soap or body wash and lather it over your skin, making sure to wash your underarms, genital area, and feet. Rinse off the soap or body wash thoroughly with warm water, making sure to get all of the suds off your skin. After your shower or bath, pat your skin dry with a clean towel. Avoid rubbing your skin too aggressively, as this can cause irritation. Moisturize your skin to help lock in hydration and keep it feeling soft and smooth. If you have long hair, shampoo and condition it as needed. Rinse thoroughly to remove all traces of the products. Cleansing your body on a regular basis helps to remove dirt, sweat, and oils that accumulate on your skin, and helps to keep your skin looking and feeling healthy. Be sure to use a gentle cleanser and avoid using hot water, as it can strip your skin of its natural oils.